Furloughs are in the forecast for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The 4-day furloughs could affect about 12,000 NOAA employees, which includes workers at the National Hurricane Center. NOAA is already under a hiring freeze and a 7% budget cut. The furlough dates are in July and August, in the middle of hurricane season.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Yeah, of all the government programs where they need to do some cutting, that's not one you want to mess with, especially when you consider how many millions, even into billions of dollars in disasters happen because of weather. Cuts to the National Weather Service are not good. They've had to cut back on doing storm surveys and even severe weather classes and things of that nature that they do on a regular basis and have done for years. So we're hoping that part of that furlough will get, or the furloughs and the cutbacks will at least maybe Congress can come up with something, please, something to help out the National Weather Service, because they are our partners here in keeping you safe. Along with us here at WBKO, we work very closely with both the Nashville and Louisville Weather Service offices and the Paducah office as well to keep everybody here in South Central Kentucky informed and safe, especially during those times of severe weather. But we have none of that going on. Doppler radar all clear, and we're at 53 degrees currently. As we check temperatures around the Kentucky Mesonet network, a variety of readings this morning. You go from 49 up in Litchfield to 53 in Munfordville to 60 at Edmonton, and then back down to 49 in Burkesville, then at 61 in Scottsville. So temperatures all over the place this morning, and it's because of the kind of air mass that is sitting right over us. It's a very stagnant air mass this morning. But as we get into the afternoon and around the Green River Lake area, that's our hometown forecast today. Taking in Greensburg, you'll see a high of 81 today, 80 for Campbellsville and Columbia, all up and down the Kentucky 55 corridor. Powerball jackpot for tonight estimated to be at $165 million. Mega Millions at $126 million. Here's a look at the pollen count, still moderately high. Predominantly trees, but some grass pollen is in there. Ozone is good. Molds in the moderate category. UV index will be running moderately high this afternoon. Check that out right there. Gorgeous live shot from our Doppler cam as we're taking in the morning sun and some of those high, thin cirrus clouds, and we'll be mixing with the sun later today. Currently 53 degrees at the Mesonet site here in Bowling Green. Light northeast wind, humidity 98%. The barometer is at 30.10 and it is rising. Checking some of our AAA Systems weather cams. Here's Franklin at 58 degrees this morning with a clear sky. You're seeing a few more high clouds back in Muhlenberg County from the Greenville AAA Systems weather cam, 56 degrees there. And in Russellville, some high clouds in Logan County, 61 degrees is your current temperature. And around the region, we're seeing 50s and 60s, and already 66 in Memphis, a sign of some warmer air that's moving in over parts of the Mid-South region. As a matter of fact, a lot of these locations right now 3 to 5 to 10 to 12 degrees warmer over yesterday's readings. And this afternoon, we'll find those readings coming up into the low 80s like yesterday. Here's a look at the 12-hour radar. Nothing happening here. Some low-level moisture down around the Gulf of Mexico. A disturbance kind of moving some of that moisture around there. And then you see the beginnings of the frontal boundary that's going to set off our next best chance of a shower. Some of the models saying that even western Kentucky could pick up an isolated shower today, but that looks slim to none, at least at this point. I think our better chance of getting any shower activity is going to come tomorrow afternoon as we get this area of low pressure in the cold front moving a little bit closer to the Mississippi River Valley. It'll pick up on some Gulf moisture, and there's our scattered shower thunderstorm chance maybe tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. As the front closes in on us, though, on Friday, that's going to be the better chance of rain across South Central Kentucky and even up to Churchill Downs for the Oaks and, of course, the Derby on Saturday. 82 today, mostly sunny and warm, and then for tonight, partly cloudy and mild with an overnight low at 58. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 80 with increasing clouds and a chance of showers by afternoon. 73, a chance of a shower thunderstorm on Friday scattered about the area. Same goes for Derby Day on Saturday and cooler. High of only 62 there. 68 Sunday with a shower chance, and we keep in a little bit of unsettled weather for Monday and Tuesday as we go back into the low 70s.